Hello everyone. So this is another application of the R+m.PLAY700 app and the controller. So right now we're using the code RC using speech, so we'll be using speech. So let's first on the project on the Play700 side, I'm going to add it. So I'm going to show you the text I'm used. So you see there are 8 commands: ready, forward, backward, turn right, turn left, stop, invalid command, valid command. So you need to have this, and you need to have it trained by voice recognition first. So let's just try an example here. Ready. So recognize that one, okay. Let's try something more complicated. I didn't speak, so it's going to be confused. Valid command. Hey. All right, so we're in good shape. Let's see. So essentially the code is, so when you first start the project in the code, it waits for a whistle the first time, and then we'll display the menu, and then it's waiting for you to whistle one more time, and then start trying to match what you're trying to say, and then make the command onto the robot also. So let's see. Let's try it again, see if we connect. Let's try it again. Turn that off. Okay, it connect good this time.
Ready.
Okay, say ready. So it's supposed to speak something now, but it.
Command.
All right.
Ready.
Right. You probably won't invite the command because I didn't have right.
Ready.
Turn right. Turn right. Turn left. Stop. Forward. Backward. Stop. Forward. Stop. Stop. Okay. So you can see it does work, but it's very slow and it's big response because it has to go out into the web to recognize the speech and come back. So you can see as I speak, it goes into trying to find other things. So backward.
Ready.
Yeah. Backward. Backward.
Command.
Backward.
Ready.
Backward. Backward. Stop. Forward. Turn right. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. we're stuck now, so it won't go anywhere here. Turn right, turn left. So we might well stop here. So speed control is tricky. It's kind of hard to achieve.